Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Civic's tire pressure monitoring system. First, you'll want to check the air pressure in all 4 of your tires, plus the spare. Make sure your tires are cold for the most accurate reading. Then, inflate them to the recommended PSI, which you can find on the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. This ensures your tires are properly set before the reset. Next, you'll need to locate the TPMS reset button. For many Honda Civic models, this button is found on the lower dashboard, often to the left of the steering wheel. It might be near the fuse box or the hood release lever. If you're having trouble finding it, your owner's manual will show you the exact spot for your specific vehicle. Once your tires are correctly inflated and you've found the button, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Now, press and hold the TPMS reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the tire pressure warning light on your dashboard blinks twice. Release the button and then drive your Civic for at least 10 minutes at speeds above 15 miles per hour to complete the recalibration. If the tire pressure light remains on after following these steps, first recheck all your tire pressures to ensure they are accurate. If the light is flashing, this could signal a problem with the TPMS sensor itself, not just low pressure. Should the warning light persist or flash, it's best to have your Honda Civic inspected by a qualified technician to diagnose any underlying issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.